The rotor torque is exceeding limits here.
Let me pull up the blade dynamics.
Good, and check the vibration curves. The model shows stress points here.
Okay, adjusting the pitch angle.
Let's check the main rotor hub assembly.
Adjusting the angle on the tail boom now.
Exploded view looks stable. Thrust data, 4,500 newtons. We're on target.
Initiate airflow test sequence.
Visualization is active and stabilizing.
Recording the flow patterns now.
Data is logging correctly.
Good. Monitor for turbulence.
Let's check this batch. Looks clear. Ready for the next. Get the pre-preg carbon roll on it.
Cutting speed, holding steady.
Confirmed. No anomalies on the feed.
Good. Monitor for heat distortion.
Will do.
Aligning the forward section now.
Adjusting the alignment jig.
Panel is sliding into place.
Secure the rivets on the frame.
Ready on this side. Set. Go. Next one, same alignment. Holding steady. Good set. Moving up.
Aligning forward section. Ready to secure.
Copy, applying torque now.
Connection is flush. Proceed.
Secured, moving to next.
Let's check the main rotor assembly next. Avionics data looks stable. Proceeding. Tail boom alignment is good. Panels aligned, ready to secure.
Copy. Starting rivets.
Good torque here. Careful with the alignment.
Got it. Overhead hoist engage.
Securing the forward brackets now. Alignment looks good. Fasten it.
Fastening complete. Move to the next section.
Steady descent. Watch the alignment.
Copy. Forward flange looks good.
Lowering another foot. Hydraulics engaged. Hold. Minor shift left. Contact. Locking bolts. Starting rivets on this bulkhead. Alignment looks good. Proceed. Fastening now. Check the next frame. Moving to the next. Okay, let's get it aligned. Copy. Lifting now. Steady. Hold it there. Locked in. Securing bolts. Perfect. We're good. Aligning this panel now.
Looks good. Clamp it.
Riveting this section.
Ready for rivets? Riveting.
Scanning tail alignment now. Copy. Laser is stable. Tablet shows green. Converging. Final check. We're good.
Fasteners on this seam look good.
Confirmed. Rivets are secure. Let's check the frame here.
Good. This weld looks clean.
Agreed. All clear here. Okay, aligning the main shaft now.
Got it. I'm securing the counter gear.
Just getting the gear details. Perfect. Now the housing bolts. Tightening now. Torque spec on this flange is 50 foot-pounds.
Got it. Aligning the stators now.
Check the manual. There's a note on the seal gap.
Looks good. Securing the final bolts.
Alignment is spot on. Securing the blade now.
Initiating the cut. Coolant flow is optimal. Confirmed. RPM is stable at 10,500. Blueprint matches. Surface integrity looks good. Cycle complete. Let's inspect the part. All right, let's align the rotor hub. Copy. Positioning the tool now. Good. Secure the bolts. Locked in. Checking alignment.
Base integrity is solid.
Good. Proceed with the scan. Alignment confirmed on this end.
Scanning midsection, no anomalies.
Copy that. Document and log.
Initiating spin test now.
Readings are stabilizing.
Adjust phase angle.
Looks good, within spec.
Easy now, down slow. Aligning left side, bolts catching, tighten there. Got it, seating now. Locked, good alignment.
Torque on this flange is good. Copy. Checking the shaft alignment. Rotate it slowly. Alignment is perfect, no play. Good. Secure the final connections.
Primary harness routing complete, moving to avionics bay. Copy. Check the power feed connector next. Connection secured, no faults on the multimeter.
Good. Log this section and prepare for crew systems.
Module in, securing now. Connector locked, cable routing, status at 85%, proceed. Next module, aligning upper, final connector plugged.
95% integration, systems nominal.
Nav systems are ready. Let's secure the main bus. Copy, fastening the relays now. Good, check the comms interface. Comms are locked, all green. Let's align this linkage.
Adjusting the rod now.
Good, check the specs.
Alignment is good.
Secure the bracket.
All set.
Seat mounts are secure. Move into the cabin.
Copy. Panels are aligned.
Comms modules online. Check the link.
Link confirmed. Running the handshake. Handshake good. No faults.
Great. Let's test the backup channel.
Torque's good, moving to mount.
Harness is prepped, ports are clear,
Alignment looks right, securing now. Sensors locked, check connections.
data link active, no faults.
Power sequence initiated. Systems coming online. Roger. Monitoring. Avionics are green. Primary power stable. Confirmed. Engine systems next.
Engine 1 temps are spiking. Rerouting power to auxiliary. Good. Monitor the rotor RPM. Holding steady at 350. Good. Log it. Avionics check complete. All systems nominal. Copy. Hydraulics and engines are green. Flight controls free and correct, ready for engine start. Initiating start sequence, monitoring temps. Looks good. We're go.
Smooth this edge out. Got it. Checking alignment. Wiping down. Looks clean. Good. Next panel.
Panel finishes matte. Checking for corrosion.
I see some fine scratches here.
We're scanning the seam now.
Log it. We'll flag for polish.
Crane down slow. Watch the hub. Left side aligned. Hold. Right clear. Tool set. Hydraulics good. Lowering. Final nudge in position.
Okay, blade 1 is prepped.
Copy. Aligning now.
Stabilizers engaged. Proceed.
Torque is good. Blade 1 secure.
Alignment within spec.
Almost. Just a little more. Go for the final lock. Securing now.
Confirmed. Good work.
Initiating cycle test.
Copy. Monitoring pressure. Arm extension is smooth. Confirmed. Linkages are stable.
No sensors clear, avionics check.
Roger. Systems nominal. Tail rotor assembly secure.
Copy, all clear.
Checklist complete. Ready for boarding. Walk around initiated. Exterior check. No section clear. Panel secure. Copy. Boarding complete. Hatch closing. Final panel secured. All clear. Ready for ignition.
Initiating startup sequence. Systems green, clear for ignition. Gear secured, ready. Roger, confirm ignition. Ignition start. Turbine spooling. Vibrations normal, hold position.
Engine start initiated, monitoring spool up.
Roger. N1 and N2 climbing steadily. Vibrations are within limits.
EGT stabilizing, turbine reaching idle.
Confirmed. Engine at stable operating speed. Initiating main rotor spin up. Copy. Watching for vibrations. Rotor speed stable, no anomalies. Wind is building, holding steady. Continue to operational speed. Rotor sequence initiated, all systems green. Copy. Powering up engines.
Turbine spooling, stand clear.
Wind's picking up, cables are taut.
Rotor at full RPM, hold positions.
Vibration levels are stable, holding at 2800 RPM.
Copy. Monitoring engine temps. They're nominal.
Roger. Avionics are green, initiating phase 2.
Phase 2 initiated. Standing by.
Tower, lifting off now.
Copy, cleared for hover. Roger, stable hover, dust is heavy.
Acknowledge, maintain position.
Tower, Hawk 1, commencing maneuvers. Hawk 1 cleared for turns and low pass. Copy, initiating right bank. Left turn complete, climbing out.
Engine's clear. Let's get this bird checked.
Copy. Starting exterior. Tail looks good.
Check the skids.